To perform this work, you're going to first need to remove the engine covers and the throttle body. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. Shown here is the common culprit, one of the breather hoses broken in half, green arrow. This usually results in a very poor idle and a non-functioning air-oil separator. Remove the air hose connection from the left valve cover, green arrow, and also open up the plastic clamp holding the air line to the right side valve cover, yellow arrow. Remove the air hose connection on the right valve cover by pressing the thick rib tabs on either side of the connection, green arrow, and pulling it up and off the port. Squeeze the tabs, green arrows, on the breather hose leading to the air-oil separator and pull it off. Now remove the air hose connection to the port on the top of the intake manifold, blue arrow. Also, take the time to inspect the rubber, green arrow, and plastic, yellow arrow, hard lines connecting to the intake manifold. Replace them if needed. At this point, just pop the new hoses into the connection, reattach the throttle body, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.